Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through the basic tools in Dzine. Let's start by creating a new project. Once you open a new project, the first thing you can do is modify the project name and aspect ratio, then click Apply to save it. At the top, in the header, you can adjust overall project settings and the canvas display. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the global sidebar, which has all the most commonly used tools in Dzine. Let's check out these cool tools. In text-to-image, you can create images using just text descriptions. In text-to-image, you can choose from a wide variety of styles. Dzine offers thousands of options, including 3D animation, realistic styles, anime styles, and more. Pick the style you want, describe what you want to create, and then adjust the settings below. Click Generate to get the image you want, and simply double-click the generated image to add it to the canvas. The Image-to-Image tool allows you to transform your image into any style. First, make sure you have an image on the canvas. Then, choose the style you want. Adjust the settings, and click Generate to create the image. The Character tool is one of the most popular features in Dzine. You can start by designing a character and use it to generate a variety of images. First, click Build Your Character. You can either design your character using text or upload an image of a character you already have. You can manage the characters you've created here, and Dzine has some character names prepared for you. Your created characters will appear below. Once your character is built, you can use them for image creation. Click Generate Images. Choose the character you want to use. Describe their actions and the scene they're in. Adjust the settings, and you'll get an image with your character in it. If you want to generate an image with 2 of your specific characters, you can continue using the Insert Character feature. Choose a brush. Circle the area on the canvas where you want to insert the character. Choose the character you want to insert. Describe the character's actions. And click Generate. In AI video, you can use either an image or text to generate a video. In the Video Model section, you can select different models for video generation. Each model has different features, and you can choose whichever one you like. In Lip Sync, you can take a character image or video and combine it with your chosen audio to generate a natural and smooth video where the mouth movements match the audio. You can enter text and select a voice to generate audio directly in Dzine, or you can upload an existing audio file that you already have.
Welcome to Dzine, where you can create with lip sync.
In the AI editor, you can edit your image. For example, using Local Edit, you can change specific parts of your image. Simply mask the area you want to change, describe how you want it to look, and then click Generate. With the Insert Object tool, you can add an object to your image. After masking the area, upload the reference object image, and it will naturally be inserted into your image. Similarly, you can use AI Eraser to remove unwanted parts of your image. Just mask and generate. You can use Generate Expand to adjust the image size as needed. If you have an image with hand bugs, you can use the Hand Repair feature. Just mask the problematic hand, click Generate, and the issue will be fixed. In FaceKit, you can swap faces in any image by replacing the original face with the one you want. You can even adjust the facial expression of the character and save the image once you're happy with the changes. In Enhance and Upscale, you can enlarge the image and choose different modes to creatively adjust the details of the image, giving it sharper or more artistic enhancements. In Product Background, you can remove the background from a product image, add a shadow, and place it in any background you desire. So, now you've got the basics down. Head over to Dzine and start exploring all the possibilities with these tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new updates. See you next time.